Apart from helping those who want to learn photography but do not have a camera, there are three reasons why we provide the equipment during the class. Reason number one, we want to keep the class to move at the same pace. So imagine this situation. If everyone is bringing their own equipment to the class, then the instructor will be busy helping each person figure out the setting, and your time will not be maximized in learning the concepts and doing the hands-on exercises. That's why we provide the same equipment to each person so that the class can move at the same pace. Reason number two, you don't know what you don't know. That's why we want to provide the appropriate equipment for you to learn photography properly. For instance, there are five factors affecting the depth of field or the background blur, and one of them is the focal length. So imagine if someone brings a prime lens to the class. And by the way, a prime lens is a lens that has a fixed focal length. So this person may not be able to see the change in the depth of field by changing the focal length. And that's why we have to provide the equipment so that you can learn the big picture in photography instead of being constrained by your own equipment. And reason number three, which I think is the most important, you'll be able to shoot on any cameras, including your own equipment. There are only five core settings that you need to know to shoot on any cameras. Using our teaching method, you'll be able to build a solid foundation in photography, and you'll be amazed how easy it is to apply those settings in different cameras. I'm Christina, the founder of PhotoSprout. It is our mission to provide quality photography education to professionals and beginners. If you're a fresh beginner, then PhotoSprout is the right place for you to start your exciting photography journey.